look was inspired by my son, Talon Robertson, because he has a rare genetic disorder called Phelan-McDermid syndrome. Oh, we're gonna use our the Charlotte Tilbury. I'm in love with Charlotte Tilbury. Her makeup is just amazing. It's super bougie, but she's a makeup artist, so. And she is very inclusive with her line, so I like that as well. And then she's a makeup artist. There's a lot of thought that goes into her makeup, and I'm loving her mascara because it curls the lashes. Man, putting mascara, sometimes when you're doing your eyeshadow, you just have to like trust the process. And then once you put your mascara on, you're like, okay, it has all come together. But I've been using Charlotte Tilbury's skincare. It's amazing too. And the best thing about it is that when you have moisturized, good skin, your makeup goes on just so much better. You know? So, and this is just one coat of her mascara. It's just that good. But you know me, I'm gonna do a couple coats. Gonna build up mascara. Oh, and you see I got some mascara down there. We're not gonna worry about that right now. I'm gonna let it dry and then scrape it, brush it off. So 2 coats, 1 coat, 2 coats, 1 coat. When I give lessons, that's the biggest kind of takeaway is that most women just don't put enough mascara on. I mean, if you're going to wear it, wear it. Don't play around with it. Okay. There we go. This is the final look. It's kind of hard. I don't have the best lighting in here. But we got greens and purples in our Charlotte Tilbury